Hello guys, welcome back to Encoding. Today we're gonna learn how you can deploy your website just for free using Vercel in just 5 steps. So first of all, we have to create a testing file or testing React file right here. So just name it anything as you want. So I'm giving it testing React. Now open this in VS Code. Now run a command right here. Okay, so open your terminal, npm create vite @latest. So I'm gonna choose vite right here. Name you can give it anything as you want. I will go with vite project. Choose React. Go with JavaScript. Now cd to the vite app. npmi or npm install is the same thing. Now run this app and let's test this out as well. Open this on your browser and as you can see it's working properly. Now again go to your VS Code, just close this app and now I'm gonna deploy this on Vercel. So starting with the step 1, go to your GitHub. So I'm gonna open a tab right here and github.com. Now if you don't have any account on GitHub, just go to github.com right here. Okay, now click on this sign up. If you are new, give it some basic details and it will create your account. After creating this account, you will head back to this interface right here. Just click on new or you can choose here as well. I'm clicking on new from here. Now you can name this repository anything as you want. React_vite testing. Okay, I'm naming it this. You can name it anything you want. Just make all this thing blank. I have also created a video that how you can deploy your website just for free on GitHub pages. So make sure to check that out as well. I will give you the link in the description section. Now click on this create repository button. Now after this, we have to copy this command and paste on our VS Code. So copy first command right here. The second command. So now I'm not gonna add the readme file. Instead, I'm gonna add this current folder. So use the dot right here. Okay. This third command, copy and paste it. Fourth command, just copy paste this thing as they are. Okay. Copy this last command and paste it as well. Okay, now as you can see, all the repository has been deployed right here. Now refresh this page. After refreshing, as you can see, all my files right here. Now we have to go to vercel.com and click on start deploying. Now you have to go with continue with GitHub, and after this you will head back to this page right here. I have some project I have deployed right here. So just click on this add new button. Click on this project. Now choose your project. As you can see, I have created this project 1 minute ago. Make sure to sign in with GitHub so you can see all the projects right here. Now click on this import button. Now just scroll down and click on this deploy button. Okay, it will take some time. Just wait. Now as you can see, I have deployed my projects completely without any problem. It's just simple as that with just 5 steps. So go to the dashboard. Now go to the settings and you can actually add your custom domain as well. So just buy your domain from anywhere. And you can add that domain as well. As you update this thing on your Vercel, it will reflect to your official website as well. So again, go to your project, go to this link provided by Vercel, or you can click on this visit button as well. Now as you can see, our project has been deployed within some minutes. It's easy. Now if you like this tutorial, make sure to like this video as well. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe for more such amazing content. This is Encoding signing out. Bye bye.